Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's have a look at some David Bowie. A friend of mine did a great cover on this on YouTube, so I decided, why not do a lesson? It's a collaboration between David Bowie, Nile Rodgers, Bob Clearmountain, Stevie Ray Vaughan. It's got it all. It kind of ticked off a lot of Bowie fans at the time because it sort of departed from his more rocky stuff in the 70s. And there was that whole burn disco to the ground movement as well. So Nile Rodgers' collaboration didn't help. But what a tune. Now for my convenience and yours, I'm doing this in A. It was originally recorded in B flat, but that would make the chords horribly awkward. So if you want to play along in the original key, pop a capo on fret 1. By all means, tell me in the comments that I'm doing it in the wrong key. Comments are great. They've helped the channel to grow. I'm aware I'm doing it in the wrong key. So let's get into it.
Very nice.
So the intro is sort of an homage to all those 60s build-ups. You've got a D. Follow the tabs below for how to do this. It's quite simple. You just do 8 downs on a 5th fret, 5th string. Then add in the 4th fret, 4th string. Then add in the 2nd fret, 3rd string. Then swap it around to 5th on the 5th string, 4th on the 4th, and then 5th on the 3rd string. Then you just do 4 downs on that. Then you got to mute everything. You do a big down up with everything muted, then a small down up, and then a big down, like this. So that all goes. And you're into the verse. The verse is this A11. Now you can simply do this. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes. So you can just play that chord twice, or you can do what I'm doing, play the chord once. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes. Now a lot of muting is needed in this to emulate what Niall was doing. Niall was just doing little staccato stabs on high inversions up here on the electric. Bob Clearmountain added those brilliant slapback delays. So you're trying to emulate that on an acoustic on your own, without delays, without loopers or anything. So what you need to do with your right hand is this. A down, then a muted down. Then 2 staccato ups. Staccato just means you strum them and then you mute them really quickly. So those 2 staccato ups sound like this. So that first part goes. And you got a muted up and 2 staccato downs. The whole rhythm goes like this. And if you want, as I say, do that twice and move on to the next chord. Here's the bass line if you want to do it. So it's an open A string twice. Watch the tabs. Next chord is an A minor 11. Bit of a stretch. This is the way I'm doing it. There's another way of voicing an A minor 11, like this. I don't feel like that chord is fitting harmonically. It would sound like this. I just think this one sounds better. Then you got the next bass run, which is a hammer on the A string, 2 to 3. Then a scalar rundown from open 4th string, 3, 2 on the A string, all staccato, and then nice long 5th fret on the E string. And if you got the time, put a bit of vibrato into it as well. So that goes onto an F major 7 over A, and just honouring that F, As I say, you can do that F major 7 over 8 twice, or you can do this. So that's a hammer on the A string, 0 to 3, then a bunch of 1s on the 6th string. Then you got a good old A minor. And the same bass run as you had after the A11. So all of that goes. You do all that twice, that's a verse done. Next part is, and if you say run, so that's a G. Now the rhythm changes also, it goes away from that staccato thing. How I'm doing it on the acoustic is a big down, and then 2 more big downs, like this. So you just got a G, C, D, then a C over E, which is just a C with an open 6th string, and then a D over F sharp. So that's your D shape. And I'm hooking my thumb over on the 6th string on the 2nd fret. You can do it with your first finger as well. Depends on how you make a D. So that goes. If you say run, I'd run to you. All of that twice. Then you got Because My Love for You. So that's a G, E minor, C, and then you're back into the intro, but you're singing over it this time. So that goes like this. Because my love for you could break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower. And that's how you play Let's Dance by David Bowie. I hope you found the lesson helpful. By all means, if there's a song you'd like me to do, leave a comment below. Those comments really help the channel grow anyway. Let me know what you think. While you're down there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel here, watch a similar video up here, or my latest up here. Thank you for watching. I'm Niall. Don't forget to leave your guitar out where you can see it, and keep on learning.